Well, hello everybody! I am in Paris! I'm so happy. I asked on my Instagram to you guys send me questions. If you don't follow me in the Instagram, it's here, my Instagram account. So click here and you can follow me. But I asked for you guys send me questions and things that you want to know about me and about my next steps in my life after La Land. And now I'm going to tell you a lot of surprises and news and everything, and I'm excited. I hope you guys like it. So the number one question everybody asked for this: how many years I have? And I'm not going to tell you because I'm going to change one thing with you. If I get 5,000 followers on Instagram and 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube, I will do a video and tell you how many years I have, what is my age, how old are Tomaz. So let's go to the questions. First, my zodiac, my astral sign, meu signo, I am a Sagittarius with Aquarius ascendant, rise, sun, something like this. And I will write here to you guys. And my moon is Gemini. Second question. I love it, this one. Which house of Hogwarts am I? I am... What do you think? I like to study, to learn things, and I don't know. I am from Corvinal. Third, a big dream, a dream. I think my biggest dream is have my home, my place with the things that I liked, everything made by me, and you know that I like interior designer, so my biggest dream is have a house, not big, not quantity, but quality. Everything chosen by me, everything with details and everything, and organized, please. Everything in the right place. 4. I love this question. How many years already I will be able to do the splits? I don't know. My grandma was very flexible until the 60s, I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not stretching, I'm not doing a lot, so probably will not be easy. Sometimes get worse, sometimes it's easier, but I don't know. But if I didn't stretch, if I didn't use this, my muscles and everything, probably 5 years more. But I will stretch, I will do the right thing. 5. My favorite thing in Brazil. I think my favorite thing is my family in Brazil, and I really like in my country to be in my country, because being because when you are not in your country, it looks like you are always trying to do the right thing and you cannot be wrong, you cannot do nothing, and you get scared and just it's weird, it's not comfortable. So I don't like about Brazil, but I like about my country. Even if I was not from Brazil, you feel home, you feel like you belong there and you have the rights. You don't have to say sorry, and anything you do can be used against you. So this is the number one thing that I miss in my country, and I like to be in my country. 6. where I will take my mom if I could take her to a trip. I was thinking about, I don't know, I can be everywhere with her, will be nice, but I really want to meet Ireland, because my mom family is from Ireland. She don't know Ireland, and I really want to go there. And I think it's a good idea. All the family goes and we can see where we came from. And Dublin, I will take my mom for Dublin, will be nice. 7. My favorite opera. I don't have a favorite opera. I think I don't have a favorite musical. I like parts, scenes, musics. I really like the, oh my god, how do you say in English? But the Queen of the Night, you know, I will put some. I really like Turandot, Turandot, how do you say? The Nessun Dorma opera. I think it's this. There is other ones that I like, but I think the Magic Flute from Mozart, is this the name in English? I will search here. Number 8. Which talent I prefer, I like. What I prefer to do, I really like to sing. I think it's my number one thing. I always love it. I feel happy when I sing. But I really love the interior, transform the room, gives me energy, and I really like to see the things completely different or organized better, or a little detail that will be different and will be better. So I think it's between these two. 9. If I see me doing theater again. Yes, I can see me one day back in the stage and acting again, but I don't know if it's a thing that I want to pursue, if I want to go for this, you know. If happens, I will be happy and I will do, but I don't know, it's too hard to do, and I have to give a lot to do this. So if happens, if it's easier, I will do. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't want the pre thing that you have to do to go to the stage. To be in the stage, it's great, but the auditions, the pre thing, the trying and not getting and everything, I don't know if I like this. 10. If I could choose anywhere where I would like to live. This is hard. I think I really love New York City, maybe Manhattan, but I would love to try to live some time in London. I don't know. 11. Where I see me in 5 years. Married. Yes, I am a romantic. I love rom-coms, and I want to be married. I want a dog, I want a cat, I want a son, and I want my house. I want the whole package. I want to be married in 5 years. I have to run. 12. What is your next step after Lalande? So today in this video here, I'm launching my Patreon page. So why I decided to give a chance to YouTube and invest in internet and the videos and making more, and do this like a job, like a work. One day Isabel and Jerry talked with me and said that I have to invest in this and do more videos, because they think that I am talent of this, that I can do this nicely. And I was talking with Michael Potts too, and he said you have to work with this, with internet and everything, social medias, because you know how to do these things, and I think will be nice to do this. And I was thinking about it, and I think I'm really liking to do this. I started doing more music videos, but now the vlogging and everything, so I decided to try, and I hope you guys like the idea and you could be a patron and we can do amazing things together. And I'm really excited and happy and grateful and humble, and I feel the pressure or the responsibility that do this and be serious in this and work. I like to do the things the right way, and I will give my best. And I hope you guys help me and like to be in this new family. And let's go. If you want to help and be a patron, click here in the description and see more about my Patreon page. I had 2 more questions that people sent me a lot, but I decided to do new videos just about this because I think will be nice. One was the language that I speak, if I speak English, Portuguese and whatever more, how I learned these languages, and I will do a video about this. And the other one was the instruments that I know how to play, piano. And so about my next steps. After Paris, I will be back in Portugal, in Porto, and I don't know if I'm going back to my work, to my job. It's not a family job, a family business. Somebody started this idea, and a lot of people was thinking that was a family. It's not my family. It's a startup with Portuguese owners. They are 3, and it's a new company, and I was working with them. I'm not in the family. But I don't know if I'm going back. Maybe they can be here with me sometimes in YouTube. Let's see what will happen. And I am starting the Patreon because, for example, now I will show you how I am recording. Where is my cell phone? This is how I am recording. You see? My cell phone was here. The computer, it's not working. I tried and but it's okay. He's really old. He did a good job. Thank you. Bye. I don't have a tripod, I don't have lights, I don't have microphone, I don't have a stabilizer for the cell phone. I have nothing. I don't have my computer. My computer is totally broken. It's old. The internet doesn't work. The sound doesn't work. How can I edit a video without the sound? So it's not possible. So maybe the Patreon can help me to do a better work, to do more professional videos, because the company have things to do this where I work, professional cameras and everything, but I don't have this anymore. I used to have in Brazil, but I don't have nothing. I sell it or gave everything. I just posted, I think, 3 or 4 videos, but people already are talking about that the sound is not really good and the light is not good. So I want to do a better product for you guys, and better and better and better every day and every video. And I hope we can discover things together, and you guys can always help me to think how to be better. And I really like transforming things, do interior designs, and I don't have a home to do this. So maybe with the patron I could rent a place and have my house that I can painting and do everything and try new things and do room by room, one by one, for you guys see everything, every detail, everything. So I'm so excited, so happy to think in this, because I always loved interior design and architecture, and I wish I could work with this. And I think it's a good way to do this, because I can do a little bit of everything that I know, and I have to get a new piano because I don't have piano anymore, and I can do a studio in my home and have a amazing place to do videos and covers and music, and oh my god, it will be so nice. And yeah, I'm happy, and this beginning, this little seed grow and be a beautiful tree and a beautiful life. So I hope you guys like it. It's a video different, but I think will be nice to respond some questions. And tomorrow I will walk in Paris, and I will bring you with me, and I will vlog everything. And this is it. Subscribe, like the video, and comment here what you want to see next. And let's go. See you in Paris. Bye.